In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Quillbot Premium 2025. By the end, you'll confidently sign in to your premium account using the official website with a few extra tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to Google. This is a reliable way to reach the official site, especially if you're not typing the address from memory. In the search bar, type Quillbot and press Enter. You'll see results appear right away. Next, click the official Quillbot website in the results. You're looking for quillbot.com with a secure lock icon in the address bar. If you see ads at the top, scroll past them and choose the main organic result to avoid landing on imitators or third-party pages. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the account or profile icon. This is where Quillbot groups all account actions. Click that icon to reveal the menu, then select the option that says Login / Sign Up. On the next screen, choose Login. This takes you to the dedicated sign-in form. In the email field, enter the email address associated with your premium subscription. Take a moment to double-check for typos, stray spaces, or the wrong inbox if you manage multiple accounts. If you use a password manager, let it auto-fill the matching email to reduce errors. In the password field, type your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off, and that your keyboard language is set correctly. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely through the official site. Avoid pasting passwords from untrusted sources, and never share your credentials in chats or comments. When everything looks correct, click the Login button. You might be asked to complete a quick security check. Just follow the on-screen prompts. After a successful sign-in, your premium features should load automatically in your account. If you don't see premium access right away, refresh the page, confirm you're logged into the correct email, and check your account or billing section to verify your subscription status. If something still seems off, reach out to Quillbot support through the Help or Support link on the site. To wrap up, consider bookmarking the Quillbot homepage for faster access next time, log out on shared or public computers, and keep your browser updated for the best performance and security. That's all you need to log into Quillbot Premium in 2025. Simple, safe, and quick.